said he give me cardiac arrest. Man can't even have little peace in the morning, please.
Uncle Barry, how you know? What?
Why you don't go back over your yard? I'm tired of you over here, man. When you come over here, me food bill gone up, me light bill gone up, all me pressure bill gone up.
I'm alone over here.
Then we keep.
Keep move out.
She move out?
Take the picnic them and ain't gone over my mother.
Then why she would have do a thing like that?
She come catch me with one girl.
Every frack tail you see, you want blow up on that. You win.
You know, she just kind of just flip out.
Then why you don't call her and beg her? Beg her, man, till I say you want her to come back home. Beg her, man, you don't pay your knees. Beg.
Beg. I little beg me, beg Uncle Barry. I know little beg me, beg. She not come back, you know, she a turn a new page. She a give her life to Jesus.
But what a damn fool girl doing?
I know else, you know.
She a go come catch you with one girl. And she a go left you. And then gone there with Jesus.
Uncle Barry, and Jesus Christ me attacking.
Jesus Christ not the biggest girl is me, no?
Oh, then how Jesus Christ will be the biggest girl?
Him have woman in the Caribbean, him have woman in the Americans, him have woman in the him have woman all over, man.
You go and then go and charge if you blasphemy here.
I see him when the other day, my nephew. Me book this little young thing. Toothbrush stiff up in the ears like any light post.
What?
Me thought the one when me go to concrete. The new one when GPS put up. No matter how much you ram up in them not come down, you know. But after me I put things to her, she a go look for me and I tell me, say, me too, how? Me is just 53.
Which part of you are 53? You are 64.
Me is 53. If me say me are 53, me are 53. And you birth me? Hey, you was there? Me is 53. Me too, how? She give herself to Jesus. You tell me something now. Out of me and Jesus, which one are we more holy? Jesus over 2,000 years old now.
You go and charge if you blasphemy